Now, there's a lot of confusion around tax rules the IRS introduced this year, especially with new laws relating to payments for goods and services through mobile payment apps. And Tech Life expert Jennifer Jolly joins us again to help us figure this all out. Hey, Jennifer, good morning to you.
Good morning.
This is something I have questions about, so let's get into it. Where do we start?
Well, it's very confusing, and since hundreds of millions of people now use mobile payment apps, a ton of people are confused about it. So here's the gist. Starting January 1st, 2022, Venmo, PayPal, any other payment apps, as well as marketplaces like Etsy and Airbnb, must report to the IRS if you make more than $600 for the sale of goods and services. Now, the key part here is that last part. It's the sale of goods and services. These changes don't apply to payments between family and friends. So you can still go ahead and split that cost of dinner out with your friends or go all in on a family gift. No changes for you. But if you use the mobile payment apps to accept money for, say, your side hustle, for like selling things that you make at home, like candles or masks or jewelry, you will have to report those earnings when you hit that $600 threshold and file taxes next year in 2023.
That was a big concern amongst my friends. I was like, so do I have to report this now for splitting a bill? But that's great that you can kind of break it down for us on who exactly this impacts. So then the question might come then, how do people really keep track of those payments then?
Well, right within the apps themselves, you can designate it as a payment for goods and services. So can the person receiving it. Right within the PayPal and Venmo apps especially, they just have a really easy one little click there. So you send it. You can also pay for people. This is really as important as in the video that you're seeing right there. It's showing, hey, you're sending that money to somebody who's cutting your hair. They're the person who has to declare that, not you. They're the person who has to tag that as a sale for goods and services. Nothing really changes for you if you're the person making that payment.
And speaking of tax season, would you mind sharing some advice on maybe some of the mistakes, filing mistakes that may be common and how we can avoid them?
Yeah, well, one other point to make about these new tax laws with the mobile apps is that those companies should send you a 1099-K form at the end of the year. If they don't, be sure to check in with your own tax professional. If you've done any selling over $600 on those apps, you just want to make sure you're doing everything right. And then to answer your question, the biggest mistake that people make when it comes to taxes is just not using the tools that are now available, oftentimes for free, right at your own fingertips. Some 80% of Americans don't use a tax professional to file their taxes. Of course, that leads to tons of mistakes. So look into some of the apps and services that are out there to help you. Many of them are free. My favorite is the IRS Free File by TurboTax. Super, super simple, and you get some help. I mean, don't feel like you have to go at this alone. That's the biggest thing.
That was always my concern in years past. I'm like, oh my gosh, there's so many details I need to look at, but I use TurboTax as well, so it's awesome to have those services provided for you. And by the way, speaking of Venmo and PayPal, where can we get more information in case we want to learn more about if that's going to affect them?
Well, there are a ton of great resources on Venmo's site, on PayPal's site, and then I've put together an explainer kind of walking you through who this does or does not apply to on my website at techish.com as well.
Well, Jennifer, appreciate your time as always breaking this down for us, because this, I got to say, this was a big concern of many, especially as those new rules passed and just trying to decipher through all the details. So we appreciate you breaking it down for us.
Anytime. It's absolutely my pleasure.
All right, again, those websites, like Jen mentioned, just head to paypal.com or venmo.com for more information. You can always check out more information on her website as well, techish.com. Breaking it down for you this morning. We'll have this, of course, on our website, lasvegasmorningbreak.com.